If you are receiving a lot of alerts from Claude AI and you wish to put a permanent stop to this, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Claude AI notifications. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to get started, you need to go ahead and find your Claude app and access app info page by just long pressing on it, and you should see we have app info option here. If you don't see this, you should see a settings gear that looks like this but on this pop-up, or you should see the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Claude AI app info page. Scroll down to permissions section, and under permissions you should see we have notifications down here, and all these notifications are on. And this is the reason you'll be receiving those alerts. To turn them off, instead of toggling off one by one here, just go ahead and toggle off this show notification button. If you toggle off, it will disable all the other types of notifications such as floating notification, lock screen, play sound, vibration, permanent notifications, as well as notification badges. This will be so unless you go ahead and turn it on again. So that's how you can disable Claude AI notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.